up, guys? Good morning. It's currently Monday morning. I've had the Datsun officially for 2 weeks now. A lot of you guys have been asking me, hey bro, where's the Datsun, bro? Where's the Datsun? I thought you got a Datsun. I did get a Datsun. It's sitting on jack stands right now. I took all the lines off of it. I'm taking an exhaust fan. It's been 2 goddamn weeks and I've already ordered exhaust for it. I cleaned out a whole bunch of crap that skunked up sitting in there. It's all rusted away. I've done a lot in these last 2 weeks for that car. So this is gonna be an update video for you guys. So this channel is gonna consist of a lot of 280 content, a lot of car content. Let's just say that, because I don't know what's to come in the future. I don't want to just build a 280 and then just stop building cars. Ever since I was a little kid, all I ever wanted to do was build cars. So this is gonna be me pursuing my dreams, basically. I gotta go to school right now, so I just stopped to get some coffee. As you can see, I look dead. Can I get a large French vanilla iced coffee, please? Sugar-free.
Okay.
And that'll do it for me.
Alright, large iced sugar-free vanilla coffee is gonna be $2.50. Thank you.
Thank you. Quick little pro tip: if you guys don't want to spend $6 in Starbucks, come to McDonald's, man. Large coffee. Alright, sweet. What is up, guys? Once again, I just got out of class. Like I said before, I'm about to go pick some stuff up. I'm trying to bang stuff out for the Datsun pretty quick. I mean, for the most part, I've got a lot of progress on it done. The whole fuel system's pulled out. I'm cleaning everything up, restoring everything, slapping new paint on all the brackets and stuff. It was a mess down there, man. I'm gonna go ahead and finish other things that I have going on, and then I'll get to the Datsun, and you guys will get to see more content on that pretty soon. So that's it for now. I'll catch you guys later. Hey, what's up, guys? So I got a whole bunch of packages in today, so I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys because I gotta get it going. I got stuff to do. I got this from eBay, 45, I believe so. It's for the airflow meter. If you guys get this for the Datsun, it runs you like $60 if you order it for a 1998 4Runner, the V6 one, I believe so. It's like $10. So quick little tip for those of you guys. Got this off of eBay too. This is a filler neck. Yep. So we got the filler neck blanket. Sweet, we got the neck. So one that I had on the Datsun, the guy had a locking cap on there and he lost the key, so they pried it off with a screwdriver, I guess. So the ridges were all just jacked up and stuff, so I just got another one. And I kind of looked out because it also came with the filler neck, and it seems to be in better condition than the one that I have on there, so that's good. This, I have no idea what this is. Oh, sweet. Cool. So this is just ignition coil bracket that I ordered. Last but not least, what I've been expecting. You know, this got here Saturday. This got here today, which is Monday. So this is I'm excited for this one. Let's just say that. Let's go. It's already open, so. You guys see it? I believe this is a mid-pipe. God damn, these are heavy. Yep. You got some headers for it. It already has headers, but they're rusted. So I said, fuck it. I like the chrome look on these. I couldn't pass them up, so. And it's gonna make that engine bay pop out a lot. I'm not sure if I should get them wrapped with heat wrap, the titanium stuff, But I don't know. You guys let me know. You guys want me to wrap them? You guys want me to leave them just like that? To me, they look fine like that, but I am worried about the heat being an issue in the engine bay. And I'm waiting on one more exhaust piece, which is the muffler to the rear. The car already has a 2.5 inch exhaust, so that's taken care of. I just gotta chop some stuff and weld some stuff in place. So that should be all for now. I'm just gonna pack this stuff up and get going so I can spend some time and just work on the car for a little bit. So I'll see you guys.